In 1946, Chicago stood at a monumental crossroads. As the dust of World War II finally settled, the city that never sleeps shed its military armor to embrace an era of profound rebirth and social evolution. Far from just another American dot on the map, Chicago was the roaring industrial and commercial engine of the nation, the ultimate stage where the triumphs and turbulences of the American dream played out in raw, vivid color. With the dawn of 1946, a tidal wave of thousands of veterans flooded back into the city from the front lines. These young souls returned carrying nothing but the heavy hope of building families and reclaiming their civilian lives, igniting a sudden demographic explosion that would birth the baby boomer generation. Yet this sudden human deluge triggered a suffocating housing crisis. Apartments groaned under the weight of overcrowding, forcing newlyweds and young families to share cramped living quarters. This desperate bottleneck pushed City Hall and hungry developers to think outward, sparking the rapid blueprinting of the surrounding suburbs and setting off a slow, steady exodus from the choked urban core to the quiet, manicured edges. That year, factories that had spent the last half-decade forging fighter planes, ammunition, and heavy armor for the Allied forces began rewiring their assembly lines for peace. Almost overnight, Chicago pivoted to feed a ravenous domestic market, churning out sleek automobiles, modern refrigerators, crackling radios, and the raw steel destined to sculpt the nation's rising skylines. But this grand transition was anything but peaceful. 1946 became a year of fiery labor strikes, as workers, exhausted by years of wartime sacrifice, marched to demand fairer wages and shorter hours. Chicago's fiercely resilient labor unions locked horns with industrial titans, hammering out new economic realities that would define the American middle class for generations to come. Throughout 1946, Chicago remained the promised land for the Great Migration, drawing Black Americans from the rural, segregated South. They fled the cruelties of Jim Crow, chasing the promise of dignity and factory wages in the industrial North. This profound cultural collision transformed Chicago into a glowing epicenter of artistic reinvention.
The electric blues and jazz. In the smoky, neon-lit clubs of the South Side, the Chicago blues was born. Musicians plugged in their guitars, replacing acoustic warmth with raw, electric distortion to match the metallic roar of the industrial city. The Black Press. The city became the intellectual stronghold for influential journalism, spearheaded by the Chicago Defender, a fearless publication that served as both a compass and a catalyst for social and political justice. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to get all the latest updates.